Hello friends, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video we will fix if iPhone says cannot verify server identity. Let's start. The first and basic method is remove email account and add email account back. For that we have to go to settings, scroll down and tap password and accounts, then tap Gmail and tap delete account. After deleting the account, we need to force restart our iOS device by pressing home button and power button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. After rebooting the iOS device, same we have to go to setting, scroll down and tap password and accounts, and here we have to add account. If this method is not working, then we have to try the second solution. The second solution is reset network setting. For that we have to go to setting, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and tap on reset, and then tap reset network setting and put passcode. After putting the passcode, we need to be tap again reset network setting to confirm the reset network setting. That's it. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for latest video notification. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.